I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada, you know, Paulo Cruzada. I know I was very angry at you. You should never do that to Teacher Marbil. You know, Teacher Marbil is saying to you, oh, you know, Teacher Marbil chatted me, oh, she said, who's Paulo Cruzada? Oh, she chatted me in Messenger, oh, he's a student of Teacher May Tiburcio, Paulo Cruzada. He was a classmate of Ralph Guevara. I just told her, oh, and she said, oh, I see, oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, uh, don't comment on that picture of Teacher Marbil. Oh, if Teacher Marbil see this, oh, what will be happen to you and your family? Oh, let me explain to you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, if you bash Teacher Marbil in Facebook, she will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. She and her husband, John Archu Matthew Bernal, her mother, her sister, oh, they will go to Quezon City Prosecutor's Office. Oh, they will file the cases against you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, they have their own lawyer. Oh, if it better, if not, Paulo Cruzada, like Joseph Maspina said, so maganap ka na lang sa sarili mong abogado. Oh, you need to realize that what you have done to Teacher Marbil and it was wrong. Oh, you should never bash Teacher Marbil. Oh, you know, Teacher Marbil, she's just watching it you. Oh, she said to you, oh, why does Paulo Cruzada is judging me and he called me Bobo? Oh, that's very an insult. You have to stop insulting Teacher Marbil, Paulo Cruzada. Otherwise, you will get in trouble. Oh, you should never insult Teacher Marbil. That is my warning to you, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, you know, I reported to your parents, I reported to your mom, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, and Mr. Kulas Cruzada, that your dad was. Oh, you should never accuse Teacher Marbil. Teacher Marbil is very hardworking as a kindergarten teacher there in UE Caloocan. She teaching all the kinders. Oh, why did you do that? That's very shameless. Oh, me and Teacher Marbil, we are friends in not only in Facebook, in personal. I met John Archu Matthew Bernal. Oh, that was her boyfriend. Oh, I met him in personal. Oh, like me. Oh, like I said before, Paulo Cruzada. Don't bash them in Facebook. Me, that time, in the previous years, I bash Eskel Penumbra. That was a boyfriend and husband of Ma'am Teacher Kel. Me and Apollo Sanchez. But me and Apollo Sanchez, we apologize Eskel Penumbra that they support Lenny Robredo, even Teacher Kel Pabelo as well. Oh, that's our fault. Me and Apollo Sanchez, we endorse Bongbong Marcos. Oh, that's our fault. Oh, you know, Paulo Cruzada, don't call Teacher Marbil Bobo. Look at me. I never call Nanay Ningning an asshole. Oh, that is really an insult. Oh, when I comment her in Instagram. Oh, but I apologize Nanay Ningning sincerely. And Nanay Ningning and I, we reconcile each other. Oh, that is a better to you, Paulo Cruzada. You should reconcile with Teacher Marbil and apologize for all your mistake. Oh, if Teacher Marbil goes to your house in barangay in Quezon City, Paulo Cruzada, the barangay captain will reprimand to you. They will give you a summon. Or if you don't agree with Teacher Marbil that she said to you, oh, if I want to to stop bashing me in Facebook, I will file the cases against you. And there is a certificate there is a certificate of file action, o CFA. Do you want to be happen to yourself, Paulo Cruzada, for what I did to David Gill? That I bully their family members, that I attack the church? Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself, to Teacher Marbil. She's a teacher, and she's a kindergarten teacher. Even that her husband, John Archie Matthew Bernal, her sister was a lawyer. That John Archie Matthew Bernal sister, that was a sister of law of Teacher Marbil, was a lawyer. Give me a break, Paulo Cruzada. Mahiya ka sa sarili mo. Because I know that Sophia Abad Sultan says, pag binanatan mo si Teacher Marbil, lagot ka. That's why I say to you, Paulo Cruzada,